In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a very simple animation in Capcut PC. I really like this software because it's very simple. You can create a lot of stuff. You also have a lot of pre-made animation, transitions. And if you really want to create yourself animation, I'm just gonna grab this this portion of this video. I'm gonna Control B, Control C, Control V, and then I have this copy. And if I want to animate this video, it's very simple. You can also move this video from here. Maybe this is a webcam, and from here you can also change so it's actually a square, some sort of square, so it's not a, you know, image. Now you can have this square here, and I can simply now animate this video around here, position, animate the position, and then around here this will actually move from here to here. Now we have this very simple animation. Let me mute the audio. And now we have this simple animation, but obviously if the video, you can actually animate this much faster, so you won't take that long. So animate position, and around here after a couple of seconds the video will move very fast here. So now you'll have this smooth view here. So that's pretty useful, you know, as I said, when you have a webcam. And as I said before, mentioned before, I showed you can also add a circle here. Maybe actually that's a square, but you know, you can also add a square or just a rectangle, a mask. That's a mask basically. But you can, yeah, it's pretty useful, this mask, and also this keyframing, which you kind of have in every single editing. Actually, I'm pretty sure you have in any editing program, but I think it's keyframing stuff can really help a lot. Now, if you have any questions, suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comments section. I really love creating Capcut tutorials. So thank you so much for watching, and take care.